Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to use the IB app for trading using PickMyTrade. Put your email ID and enter your desired password. You can add your phone number here, but it is optional. Here you have to fill in where you have heard about us and register. After registration, you will receive an email. To confirm your email ID, just click on this Verify Now button to verify your email. Once you have verified your email, you can just log into your website. After log into your website, you will see this dialog box, Connect to Broker. Just click on IB, download the app, and agree to the terms and conditions. So here, your IB app has been downloaded, just click on it and grant some permissions. Along with the IB app, you need to open your TWS workstation. Log in here also, because without TWS our app will not work. To log in into the IB desktop application, you need to fill in the same credentials, which you have used in your PickMyTrade web application. In the IB app, we need to make some changes. Just go to this config button and go here in API. Click on settings and make sure that read-only API is unchecked. You also have to check this enable ActiveX and socket clients. Here your socket port is 7497. And check on allow connections from local host only. These three things should be changed to move forward. And just apply it. Here your connection has been established. And you can see here IB is connected too. The connection between our application and TWS has been established. In the next video, we will learn how to put on the trades.